think parrots are just pretty feathers and loud chatter? Think again. Meet the monk parakeet, a bird with the problem-solving skills of a 3-year-old human. From riding mini bicycles and stacking colored rings, to dunking basketballs and tidying up their own toys in a mini trash can, these feathered geniuses don't just mimic sound. They actually understand cause and effect. So, the next time someone calls you a bird brain, take it as a compliment, because this tiny parrot might just be smarter than your roommate.